I went to watch a fight with one of my friends, a UFC fight, Dominick Cruz and Uriah Faber at the Imagine Grand. And he bought those tickets. He was like really close to the cage. So we saw a couple of like fights, and I saw actually blood, like it was a real fight, street fights, and I was like, man, you know, I was really impressed about them. But then the main event, it was Dominick Cruz and Uriah Faber, and I look at him, I was like, I can do that. I think I can do that, you know. They're not high because I was expecting like people higher, you know, taller than me. And I told my friend, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna ask somebody how to get to that level. And he's like, yeah. Now I became so like fanatic of like fans of the UFC, and I started watching all the videos, you know, and then I met Juan Torres. And since then we had a really good relationship. I was trained at Top Power, and I was trained with him, you know. So I was really into this. So I was like, I had my membership over there, and I had to go all the way to his house because they used to train at his garage. Yeah, so that's how I started. I fall in love with it, and I felt like that. This is what I want to do. And it came out. It wasn't that easy, but everything what I see, what I learn, I don't know. It comes natural to me. I don't have to like go over and over and over. No, yes, I don't know. There's something inside of me that I don't know. That's how I started. And now it's been like 3 years training, and I'm just fighting. I have so much pressure. I'm scared. I'm not scared to fight. I'm scared to lose. Last time I lost, I was depressed for a long time. I was thinking about to quit. I was like, yeah, I don't want to do this anymore because I don't know. It feels so bad. So this title fight, it means a lot because it's gonna take me to the next level. So yes, I gotta win. I have no choice. I wanna take from 1 to 5 rounds to be on the cage for 15 minutes. Because when you turn pro, I feel like I have to train, and this is a good chance for me to win the title, to win the fight, and you know, and even I say to feel how like most of the pro fighters, you know. If I can win in the 3rd round, it's better. But if I can't, I know that I can push myself all the way to the 3rd round, and for sure that he's not gonna keep up with me. First of all, I always get my any motivation. Some people think that they just want to come to train and go to the gym and more train. I mean, I don't know. I just like the feeling of winning. Yeah, and I usually do whatever it takes to get the W. And that's what it. And I don't even know what it drives me. You know, I don't have that feeling. Yeah, I can't explain. Because I just know that I'm gonna go fight. I have the date, and I just make sure that I'm ready to fight. That's it. I want to tend to Eliminate Brand, Torres MMA Sport, Juan Torres, Steve Pellegrino, and all my teammates. That they push me, I guess, to get to the next level. Para toda mi raza latina, quiero que sepan que tienen un amigo que se llama Ramos Cruz, que va a pelear el 8 de febrero, que es en 10 días, y espero que me vayan a apoyar. Y si no pueden, está bien, ya saben dónde encontrarme, en el gimnasio de Juan Torres, y en las peleas que usualmente no sé, pongo en el Facebook, o todos los que me siguen en el Facebook. Eso es todo, viva la raza.